How to fix Instagram reel not eligible for bonus program. So to fix an Instagram reel or account marked as not eligible for the bonus program, you need to switch your to a professional or creator account. Also make sure that you meet the partner monetization policies and age requirements, which is 18 plus. Remove any community guideline violations and submit a support ticket via report a problem. Now to fix ineligibility, you have to switch your account type. So to switch your account type, open your Instagram app, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap menu in the top right. Now scroll down and look under for professional section, tap account type and tools. Tap on account type. Since it's already a professional account, so I don't need to switch it, but if your account is a private, tap on switch to professional account. Now the next thing what you can do is, if you are an Android device, go to your device settings, scroll down, go to apps, find Instagram from the list, tap on it, then go to storage. Now tap clear cache at the bottom right. Also go to your professional dashboard and then go to bonuses to see if an active setup or apply button is hidden there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.